Is this job profitable?
Yes, I would say.
A lovely viewer, I welcome you back to my YouTube channel. I have with me here this beautiful lady. As you can see here, she's very beautiful, very pretty. She has been on my channel before. I made an interview with her and I think she has to talk for herself. I don't have to talk for her. She's one of the best. No, I don't have to talk for her. So just wait, take a stay. She's going to tell you everything you have to know about what she does.
Hi everyone, this is Otchere, the CEO of Favoured Event. It's been nice talking to you the last time, and I'm here again to enlighten you more about event services, event management, event planning, what Favoured Event does, and some of the work I've done, and also we do train people.
I have always been saying this channel is here to feature young entrepreneurs, people who are ready to start something on their own. So I'm bringing you this fine beautiful lady here, and I know you are going to support whatever she does. Yeah, so thank you for supporting and part of every content I post here. Thank you very much.
Alright, so I am Otchere, the CEO of Favoured Event Services, and we are into event planning and management. We train people as well, so if anyone is interested in learning event planning, we do balloon deco, wedding, reception, engagement setup, kids' birthday. We are into everything event deco. So we have the kids setup such as the Paw Patrol, Coco Melon theme. We have the Cinderella theme. We have so many themes for kids. And then we have in the wedding setup too, we have the Vante theme, we have the rustic setup, more like the nature setup. We have a lot of setup. And also we do room styling with floral works on the metal stand or on the couch. Anyone your client wants, we do it. We train students as well. So if you're interested in learning deco, being balloon deco or setup or everything, we do train. So I'm inviting you to check our post on Instagram at Favoured Event Services, on Facebook too at Favoured Event Services, and on Twitter. And then our numbers too are 0240-817855. 0240-817855. You will talk more, you learn more to start up your own business. It's about 6 weeks. You are done with the training. Then you can begin something on your own. As a young lady, as a young man, you need to start doing something on your own. Don't just sit idle. Learn a skill to upgrade yourself. Don't just do one work. You can do multiple works for multiple income. So I'll be waiting for your call. Right, so we are located in Accra, but we move everywhere in Ghana to do setup. We are located in Accra, Otchere, and then you can follow us on Instagram at Favoured Event Services, on Facebook at Favoured Event Services, and on TikTok at Favoured Event Services. You can call us, we'll respond to you anytime, and we welcome all the young people that are interested in learning to hit us up and learn more. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.
She might have some advice for the youth. I know most of the youth in Ghana right now complains that there is nothing like employment or no jobs around. But as a young lady like this, she has started something for herself. And I know she's a motivation to us all, even to me. Because for me, all I do is I sleep, eat, I don't work, I don't do anything. But she's a motivation to me. So maybe from now, I'll also start doing something. What do you think I can do? Can I also venture into decoration?
Yes, you can. It's not always about ladies. The men are into deco as I speak to you. Men mostly do most of the backdrop, the fabric works, and the whole lot. The deco is not solely for only females. So you are really and humbly welcome to join the team. Favoured Event is ready for every individual that is ready to learn or ready to upgrade him or herself into skills. So men are entitled to come, not solely women.
Will I be using my body for like carrying stuff, or I'll also be doing this definitely also? You know, some men just venture into this to do the dirty job, as in use their body to do all these dirty jobs. Am I going to do a dirty job?
Okay, so deco, one thing, if you're a lazy person, you cannot do that because it's a hard work that it takes about 24 hours without sleep, more than 24 hours. And also, definitely, you'll be dirty. So it's part of it. It's just like a fetus saying he doesn't want to become dirty. That's not possible. Our work entails a lot of strength. So if you're someone that is lazy, you can't do this job. If someone that you don't have the passion, you can't do it as well. So you need to psych up your mind, be ready to learn this, not solely for the money purpose, but for your own achievement, for your own growth. And it's not for only females. That's what I'm saying. The men are into this mostly because the things are even heavy to carry. We need men fixing the backdrop, table setup, carrying chairs. We need men to support. So it's not for lazy people. If you're lazy, you can't do that. That's what I can say. Okay, and everybody does the work. It's not solely the men that do the dirty job. If you're a lady, you also need to carry some of the chairs. Everything is done in coordination. You work hand in hand. We all work together. You don't say this is the man, so he should do this alone. You are the lady, so you just do the floral work or something. Everybody works hand in hand. And for instance, everybody will get dirty. So you help the men do this, the men to help the ladies do whatever they're supposed to do. And at the end, the client needs the results. So whatever way you do to provide the results for the client, to make your client happy, that's what we expect of an event planner. So it's a beautiful thing when you're done with your setup and the joy of your client even makes you happy. It's good to learn. I'm treating every young lady, every young man outside to join the event services and learn more skills, learn more activities. The men are welcome. Most men are doing well in this deco industry, so it's not only for women, but men are also involved.
Does this need education or like a degree?
No, really. It doesn't really need your education or any certificate or any qualification. No. If you didn't go to school, if you don't have any qualification, you can learn. Just about you being skillful, you being creative. Deco entails creativity. You can psych your mind. You know, it doesn't need qualification before you can join the deco industry. You just need to be creative. That's what I was saying.
Okay, so what about the startup? Do I have to get some huge capital or something small can help me start this?
Alright, so I'll use myself as an example. Starting, you don't have anything, but you need to get your tools. That's your stapler, your balloon pump. That's the basic things you need now. So as you move on, then you'll be buying stuff a little by little. You don't need to get a huge capital before you can start there. No. When you come for the training, you need to get your tools. That's what you'll be working with. Then later you get certain things that you will need. And for your own good, as you learn, you keep practicing. For instance, if you learn the balloon deco in class, when you go home, you need to get some of the balloons to start up with your own practicals, with your own creativity. And you know, it's not about being perfect, it's about being consistent in whatever you are doing. That will yield the results for you. So you don't really need a huge capital to learn this. You don't need a qualification to learn this. You just have to be creative. You have to be serious. You have to be passionate about whatever you are doing. That will get you far. Yeah. So I am based in Accra, and then our training will start very soon. It will be posted on this channel for you to watch and know when. We will also be training in Kumasi as well, and any part of Ghana that you are. The distance is not a barrier at all. You can learn, and very soon I'll start an online training as well, and everything will be posted on this channel. So you have to stick and stay on this channel, TV Sencherey blog, for everything, every details that you need. Favoured Event Services is here for everyone. It's here for the youth. It's here to inspire our ladies and gentlemen. We need them to be hardworking. We need them to acquire skills for themselves, not just to sit in offices waiting for your monthly salary. No.
Is this job profitable?
Yes, I would say, but not immediately, but definitely. Because as a beginner, you need to get most of your items to use to work. Let's say if you don't have any materials or any items available and you get a contract, you need to rent. That's one thing about them. So as a beginner, you need to start small, little by little, then you get there. That's what I can say. You just don't have to. There's money and profit in it, but for a beginner, it's not easy. In every work, in everything you're doing, it's not easy at the beginning, but definitely you will get there. There's so much profit. If I tell you the amount of money people are making in Deco, you will marvel, you will love it. So I'm just entreating every individual, ladies and gentlemen, to join the event, have the passion to learn a skill, and the profit is there. You will see it, you will enjoy it as you go.